So in this video, we're going to look at a monthly bullish scan for next month, for February, month of February. So here is we are looking at 3 CPR on a monthly basis, right? And then we are looking at all stocks which are above all the exponential moving averages. And we are only sorting for weekly stocks, stock with weekly options. Okay, we do a scan. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to look for relative volume. Okay, so Caterpillar is coming up first. Okay, Caterpillar. Okay, let's look at Caterpillar. CAT. Okay, Caterpillar has all bullish and has here see a narrow CPR also. So Caterpillar is a good candidate for bullish trade. Okay, scan. Let's look at what I see around Juniper JNPR chart. JNPR. Okay, it's not a right setup. Okay, next one is ITW. Let's see, bullish. Okay, all bullish. You can see the CPR bullish, VR bullish, RSI bullish, and it's also bullish. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, next one is URI, United Rentals. Okay, that's also bullish, very bullish. If you see a bullish candle on top of the third CPR, you can take the trade to the upside. Okay. Scan charts. PALE. Okay, so whale also looks bullish, everything bullish here, so just a good one to be bullish on. Okay. FLR. Also all bullish. Okay, FLR. Okay, so next one is C8. Okay, these are the stocks which are bullish. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you are looking for this scanner, please let me know. The strategy is you want all this bullish, you want a bullish here, bullish here. You want the first candle at 3 p.m. today, first day of the month to be has only upper wick, no lower wick. So these are Heikin ashi candles. Just to need to have upper wick, no lower wick. If you see a candle at 3 p.m., you take the trade to the upside. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know.